Hi, thanks for clicking on this particular section marked insurance, and the idea behind this particular section of the website is not to try and sell you any car insurance, but bring to your attention or raise the question in your mind, are you fully insured? Now that can be a good question. You may well have comprehensive cover and you may well have a valid policy, but is your car actually covered by your insurer? Now, in your policy document, you will have a section or a term in there telling you that you, the motorist, must keep your car in a roadworthy condition. And what your insurance company means by that is keeping the car in line with the specification of the manufacturer. For example, your manufacturer will recommend you service your car at regular intervals. Leaving the car unserviced for 2 or 3 years or longer may potentially put you in a position where you couldn't justifiably show that you had kept the car in a roadworthy condition, particularly if you've got no receipts or paperwork to support that. The fact that you service it yourself or your friend does it or what not may well be just the case, but may well put you in hot water if you had to prove that your car had been regularly serviced. So, routine and regular service is important, not just an MOT test. An MOT test is just a minimum safety test on the day. Brake efficiencies are measured during the course of an MOT by way of rolling road. That doesn't mean to say that the brakes are below or above the recommendation of the manufacturer. A tyre, for example, can be road legal from an MOT perspective at 1.6 millimeters, but if it were on an Audi car or a BMW or something of reasonably high horsepower, the manufacturer might say that when the tyre reaches 3 millimeters, it doesn't perform as well as it should, and it may alter the braking efficiencies, and therefore you may well be driving your car uninsured should it be involved in a claim, whether it be fault or non-fault. Most insurance companies will send an engineer, and they will, believe me, do everything in their power to mitigate their position in terms of settling the claim if they can get away with proving that you have not maintained the car to the serviceable level. So, the idea behind this particular section of the site is not to try and sell you insurance, but to just ask you to check, are you insured? If you had any advisories on your MOT certificate recently, have you taken care of those? The engineer that carried out the test, if it was us, for example, if we've made some recommendations, it's for your well-being as well as that of protecting you from financial loss via your insurer should he decide to null your claim if your car was involved in a fault or non-fault accident. So, if you're unsure, give us a call on the free phone number, which is 0333 121 2012. After speak to me, my name is Matthew, or one of my team will be able to answer that, or you can call into one of our shops at Whitchurch opposite the Plough, or the New Cool shop at 227 Plant Park Road where we're making this clip from, or you can visit us at the website, which is www.gardenvillagegarage.co.uk, and just fill out the contact form. So, check your documents, make sure you're all covered. All the best.